On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get paid as a content writer online. If you are looking for a side income as a writer, this is the right video for you, because I'm going to show you the website that you can apply. I'm also going to show you the tools that you can use to make money even if you have zero experience. The best part is that I'm going to show you a website that will pay you $21 per hour. This is something that you can do on your PC, and it does not require you to be in any location. You can do the work at your bedroom, in your living room, or wherever you are, and you are still going to be making money with this opportunity that I'm about to show you. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The job that I'm about to show you can find it on this website, remote.co. This website shows you a lot of job opportunities that you can apply from wherever you are in the world, and you are going to be making money. There are a lot of job offers that you can find on this website. I found this one right here, health and wellness news writer. This is very easy and simple because I'm going to show you a tool that will do all the work for you. So you can see that this work is a remote job. You can see that it's available worldwide. So anywhere you are, you can see work from anywhere. Wherever you are in the world, you can apply and work with this company. You can see the salary. You are going to be earning $21 per hour. So anytime you work, you are going to be earning this amount. So this is something very good because you are not required to be in any location. All that you need to do is that to take your PC and you can start writing. Once you write, you submit your work and you are going to be earning money. So when you come, you can see experience, non-manager. So you don't need a high level experience to apply for this job. You can just apply with your beginner experience. So when you scroll down, you can see many details about the website. When you come here, you can see these positions are work from home with flexible, stable hours. Location does not matter. US and international candidates are encouraged to apply. So wherever you are, you can apply, as I said earlier on. When you scroll down right here, you can see your responsibilities. So these are some of the things that you need to do so that you can be paid. You can see research and write 300 to 900 word articles in custom CMC. So 300 words is not something that you have to use more than an hour to write about. It's just simple, so you can do this. So make sure you apply for the job so that you can be earning money. So let me scroll down to show you further details. You can see the requirement here. Just write your resume and then a letter of intent, 3 professional writing samples relevant to the content shared on Health Digest. So you have to write an article about health that proves that you have knowledge on health issues so that you can be employed. So just write an article about that. I'll show you the tool that you can use to write the articles. As you can see, there are many details. I can't read everything, so make sure you visit the website so that you can read more details about the job. Once you read and you are interested, you can just come here and then apply. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can get access to this particular page. Once you apply and get accepted, you are going to be using a free tool that will do all the work for you. So the most important thing is that just meet all the application requirements so that you can get accepted for the job. Once you apply for the job and then get accepted, I'm not going to show you the tool that can do all the work for you whilst you earn the money. Once you get accepted, just come to this website, writer.me. This is an AI tool that helps you to write any content that you want. It's just going to generate everything for you. Whatever content that you want, it is going to generate it for you. They have a free plan and a premium plan. So what you have to do is that just select the free plan. So once you select the free plan, you can use that to write, and once you earn the money, you can then upgrade. So when you come here, you can see the free plan. You have to write up to 5,000 characters per month. Every month you can generate this amount of characters. The silver plan, you can get up to 50,000 characters per month. So what you have to do is that just sign up for the free version. Once you get money, you can upgrade. You can see that the silver plan, the amount that you are even going to pay per month is below the amount that you are going to be earning per hour if you get accepted for the job. So just start with the free plan. Once you earn money, you can then upgrade to the monthly plan. So once you create your accounts, the next thing is that you are going to start writing. So I'm going to just demonstrate to you how this tool can help you to write, so that when you get accepted, you can then follow the steps to write your article. So just come here, start writing, or you can just click here, start writing. So wherever you click, you are going to get access to the tool. Once you click on start writing, you are going to see something like this. So what you have to do is that just come here, select what you want to write about. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see blog idea and outline. You can see blog section writing, brand name, business idea page, and the rest. So I don't need to go through everything, because what we want is blog idea and outline. So we want to write an article, so just select that. Once you select that, you can see you can select any language that you want. You can select your tone. This is where you are going to enter the title of whatever that you want to write about. You can see the number of variations. You can change it to any number that you want. If you come here, creativity level, you can select any level that you want. You can see the levels, so just select one of them. For demonstration purpose, I'm just going to enter a random title here, so that I can use it to generate an article for you to see, so that when you get the job, you can follow the same steps. So just type diet to keep you fit. This is my title, so just click on write for me. So as you can see, these are some of the ideas. You can see my top 10 food for eating well and staying fit. So this is a title. You can see what is the best diet for sex-craved women. So any of these titles that you want, you can select it. You can see the benefits of a fitness diet, so you can also select that. I prefer this one right here, so just highlight it. Once you highlight it, just come here, click on paragraph, so that it will develop an article for you, so that you can submit it to your employer. So that is basically what you need to do, so that you can earn money writing online. If you have your own experience, you don't need to use this tool. You can just apply for the job. Once you get it, you are going to be writing yourself. You don't need to use any AI tool. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.